Welcome back to our channel. Today, we'll show you how to change your download location in Chrome on your PC. Follow these simple steps to customize where your downloaded files are saved. Step 1. Open Chrome. Launch the Chrome browser on your PC by double-clicking on the Chrome icon. Step 2. At the top right corner, click on the Settings icon. It looks like 3 vertical dots arranged vertically. Step 3. From the drop-down menu, select Downloads. This will take you to the Download Settings page. Step 4. Now, click on the Change button next to the Location field. A File Explorer window will appear. Step 5. In the File Explorer window, navigate to the desired folder where you want your downloads to be saved. Once selected, click OK. And that's it. You have successfully changed your download location in Chrome on your PC. From now on, any downloaded files will be saved in the new location you specified. Thank you for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tricks. See you in the next video.